Sunday afternoon, a 911 call, man with a gun. Officers arrived to find Bob, just maced by someone else, blind, agitated, and armed. 12 minutes later, no one was dead. That wasn't guaranteed.
Put your hands up. I got a call of a man with a gun, so that's why I'm here. Okay, can you put your hands up? You need to make sure you have any firearms on you. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm going to tase you. You want me to tase you?
Shoot you.
All right, well, you're going to shoot me and put your hands up. Right now.
Get away from me.
Can you tase him? Can you tase him?
This is a life or death situation. Get away from me.
Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up right now.
Remove her from the car. Take her from the car. He might have a gun. I would get her out the car or drive off, one or the other.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
Do not take your hand off the gun.
Get away from me.
Take your hand. I got called here. Take your hand off the gun right now. I got called here for the man with the gun, and I'm responding. If you put your hands up, I will put my gun away.
You're responding to a guy who got maced.
Okay, can you? I can listen to that if you will take your hand off the gun.
Away from me.
Sir.
This is not going to end well for any of us.
19, he's walking around, he has his hand on his firearm. Hey, watch crossfire.
Get away from me. This is not about to end well for any of us. Put your hands on me.
Tase him. Tase him. Tase him.
Tase him. Tase me.
Put the gun down. Put the fucking gun down. Hey, everyone get down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Hey. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Get away from me.
Put the gun down.
Get away from me.
Taser's ineffective. Taser's ineffective.
Sir. Sir. Sir, talk to me. Can you please put down the gun? Sir. Please put down the gun. Okay? We do not want to shoot you. If you put the gun down, this will not end. Nobody wants to shoot you.
You just tased me.
Sir, you are holding a gun. I need you to talk to me.
Mace off of my face.
Okay, well, somebody said you pulled out a gun and you said you were going to hurt somebody, okay?
No, I did not.
Here, this is what let me talk to you, okay? Listen to me, please. Sir.
Sir, can you put the gun down so we can talk like
What do you want? What do you want? We need to talk to you, though. We can't just leave right now. Sir, can you just please put down the gun and we can talk? Hey, you put the gun down, I'll put my gun away. We all will. Just put the gun on top of the car. We will all put our guns away.
I didn't do anything but wipe mace out of my
We're here for a reason, though. You got to understand that. Sir, what's your first name?
Bob. That's my name, Bob.
Hey.
16, 10 minutes en route.
What the f***, man? Where's my car?
204, do you have your complaint?
Step 45, we'll try to call her again.
19, he's leaving. He's in his car and he's in the traffic. Have you recalled the complaint again? Did no answer the first couple times?
Dude.
So he's at Metro looking for her.
Alright, at this point, we're not going to pursue him.
At this point, we're not going to pursue him.
What happened?
Dude, we got here. He starts walking around. He has a pistol in his waistband in a holster. So we draw a gun on him, and he starts walking around here. And he takes it out of the holster and walks around like this. That's where I have him at gunpoint. And eventually gets back into his car and leaves. We have no complainant the complainant called saying somebody was here with a gun. We tried to tase him, didn't work, and he just left. So, I mean...
Did the taser hit him?
Yeah, one probe did.
No shit. What kind of car was he in?
He was in a gray Kia. No front bumper. I mean, all we really have at this point, I guess UW because he pulled his gun out, but we had our guns out at him too. But that's about it. We have no complainant for the initial thing and obstructing, obviously. But
still got eyes on him. We're approaching Rockaway westbound on 159. What do we want to do about this?
I mean, there's no point in chasing him, right? Are your lights on, Fitz? So you can try to stop him? I'm sure he's not going to stop.
No, we haven't gone over 40.
All right, put your lights on, see if he stops. If he doesn't, just let him go.
I guess I'll wait for more units before I try that, right?
Me and 23 are headed to you.
Just got a signal on to go northbound Oak Park from 159. About to turn northbound Oak Park with him.
I'm coming up. I'm coming up.
Try to stop him at 151. Alright, he's turning right onto he's about 151st, looks like. Alright, he's turning right onto he's about 151st, looks like.
Support eastbound 151.
He's parking over by County.
Officers draw weapons immediately and order Bob to raise his hands. Under Terry versus Ohio, a gun call gives them legal grounds to stop and investigate. That part is fine. What happens next is where it gets complicated. Within seconds, I'm going to tase you. Then, I'm going to shoot you. Bob hasn't drawn his weapon yet. Under Graham versus Connor, that threat is legally premature. A second officer declares this life or death. The taser fires, one probe hits, and fails. Taser is not effective. The situation is now wide open. Bob gets in his Kia and drives away. Officers have no complainant. Charges are unclear. Both sides had guns drawn. That complicates any weapon charge significantly. The sergeant calls it right. If he doesn't stop, let him go. Low speed follow. No chase. Bob eventually pulls over. Smart command decision. At the second stop, a different officer takes over. Calm, direct, uses Bob's name. Bob explains he was wiping mace from his eyes when police first showed up. He says he's the victim. Officers say he drew first. That dispute goes to court. A supervisor arrives with a rifle. The tactical pressure doesn't let up.
Can you step out of the vehicle without the gun? I'm allowed to carry a gun. I don't know if you can.
Grab a lot. Still on the driver's seat. 419 vehicle stop.
Hold on. Talk to me. Don't worry about them, okay? Now I showed up in the first place because somebody said you had a gun, and they were right. What are the chances you had a gun?
Standing there wiping mace off of my face.
And we're trying to figure out why that's it. What happened? We're trying to figure out why you had a gun out in front of people.
I didn't have a gun out.
Sir, we got a call about it. I'm not lying to you.
I didn't have a gun out. I was standing there wiping mace off of my face.
But why would I lie to you about that? You had a gun out previous to that. We had a caller about it, sir. So we're just trying to investigate it, and then you up and left.
Guy right here. Look at this guy.
Yeah, well, you got to understand. You had a gun. That's why we're trying to talk to you.
No, you didn't come to talk to me with guns. You came with tasers. You tased me twice, and you pulled out your gun.
Before we did any of that, you pulled away from us.
Twice. I hadn't pulled out anything.
You pulled away from us. We were trying to speak with you. We wanted to check you.
And you pulled out a gun. And look at him.
Yes, he's got a rifle, sir. You got a gun, too. All right, I'm going to go to the other side of the car, right? So can we talk? Can we keep talking? I want to keep talking to you. I'll let you smoke a cigarette. All right, so why'd you get maced? I'd like to get you out of the car without the fucking gun, man. Well, how'd you get maced? Why'd you get maced? It's important, man. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm trying to figure out why somebody said they saw a gun on you. I'm trying to figure out why you pulled away from us before we even had our guns out. I'm trying to figure out why you left. We didn't taser you until you had that gun out, sir. That's all on camera, too. All right, hey, why don't you step out of the car?
Fitz.
Can you see it in there right
Keep
now?
going. That's him step out.
He's finishing his cigarette, Sarge. Hey, he's got a dog in the back as well.
With your hands up. With your hands up.
Is your firearm in that pouch?
Leave the dog in the car. Sir, stop. Stop moving.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Just stay right there.
Now step out the dog.
Stay right there.
Do what you were saying.
Pistol was last in the right in his right hand.
I see it, dude. Just relax.
Just relax.
Put your hands behind your back, man.
I'd rather
Cuff him.
No, don't try to touch me.
come on.
Don't try to touch me, please. Don't try to touch me, please. Please don't touch me. You just touched me once. That was one too many times. Please, I'll put the
Let's
dog
go.
back up.
Grab it.
I'll put the dog back up. I'll put the dog back up. Fine. Ow! That wouldn't work. Okay. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. That wouldn't work.
What the man?
My dog is friendly.
Your
My
dog
dog
is
is
fine.
friendly.
In the car.
Check his pouch lock.
I don't have it on me. It's in the car.
I just want to make sure, right?
I didn't come out.
Stand him up and get
You did the first time.
It's in my 1, 2, 3.
It's supposed to be a quiet Sunday, sir.
Yep.
I know. Why did y'all show up? I got maced. If anything, you should have showed up to help me. Like somebody just maced you. Somebody maced you.
Oh,
You're wiping mace out of your. I couldn't see.
You definitely need help, so.
Did you mace yourself?
No, don't play.
I know. It happens.
Check his waistline one more time. All right. Call animal control.
We have a dog here in this vehicle.
She will overheat in that car.
We're not going to leave her in the car.
No, we're getting
I promise.
Point there's no
Left on the ground. Can I have my freak? Stop pulling
Come
me
on.
like that.
You gotta get in the car.
Come on, let's walk to the car.
And neither do you. I hope
take a
you
seat,
don't.
sir.
I hope you don't.
Have a seat.
Can I have a cigarette, please?
When we get back to the station, have a seat.
Grab your cigarettes. I'm going to grab your lighter. I
I
promise
know
you.
you guys lie like that.
I promise you.
Can you reach in there, grab them, and show me that you have them at least?
Take a seat.
It's a
All right, take a seat. I'll grab 'em.
It's a sky.
The firearms in the passenger seat right there.
You gonna give me a cigarette for real?
At the station, yes. You can't smoke in our squads. We'll give you one before you go into the station.
Alright, dog appears to be friendly. I'm gonna see if I can just take him. Hey buddy, come on. Good boy. Good boy, come on. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy, come on. Come on. Let me get this, okay? Here, you want a piece of bread? Here, come on.
You guys towing it around?
Ah, yeah, he's fine. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, come on. Come on.
After long negotiation, Bob exits with hands up. He's handcuffed. The gun is found in the passenger seat, exactly where he said he put it. Officers also find a dog in the back. They call animal control. Nobody leaves her there. No shots fired. No serious injuries. Taser deployed once. Ineffective. No complainant came forward. Case outcome is unknown at time of analysis. The grades. Primary officer C+. Didn't fire, that matters, but threatening deadly force too early costs him. Negotiating officer B. De-escalation at second contact likely prevented a shooting. Supervisor B+. Restrained the pursuit. Good command judgment under pressure. Bob D+. Maced and scared, that's real context. But drawing during a police stop put everyone at risk. Now, what can we learn from this? Lesson 1, verbal threats are not free. I'm going to shoot you carries legal weight. If force is not yet justified, saying it out loud doesn't make it justified. It makes it a liability. Lesson 2. The first 2 minutes set the tone. Escalation that fast leaves no room to recover. The negotiating officer at second contact showed what's possible when officers slow down and talk first. Lesson 3. Context changes everything. Bob being maced wasn't known at first contact. Officers who take 5 seconds to assess before drawing may gather that context and change the outcome. Lesson 4. For Bob, carrying legally does not mean drawing legally. During a police investigation, your safest move is hands visible, gun holstered, and talk. Always. Lesson 5. The sergeant's pursuit call saved lives. Speed is not always the objective. Letting a nonviolent suspect go temporarily, then recontacting with more units, is sound modern policing. This incident ended without a fatality. That wasn't skill alone, it was also luck. Better training, better protocols, and better first contact could remove the luck from the equation. Leave your take in the comments. Subscribe for a new breakdown every week.